Hello, I'm William with Sportsland RVs. I'm going to give you a walk-around tour on the Starcraft Launch 207 RB. This is a hybrid trailer. It's got a bed that folds out the front, out the back. I'm going to show you how one of those beds goes in and out. It's really easy. And what that generally does for you is gives you a lot more interior volume in an RV without getting really long. So folks that want to keep the weight down and the size down, this is a great option. This one in particular weighs 4,000 pounds dry. So, a lot of mid-size SUVs with a 6-cylinder are rated at 5,000 to 6,000 pounds. Your Toyota Tacoma, that's rated at 6,500 pounds with the V6. So anyway, that's kind of the market that we're working with here, and we're gonna go around the outside, then I'll take you on in. First off, you notice the awning. We've got this out just a little bit. It is a power awning on this. You've got the nice LED light strip along the base of the trailer there, as opposed to out on the rolled up arm. The thing I like about that is when you're out camping, it gets windy, you put the awning in at night, you still have light coming, as opposed from that LED getting wrapped up into the awning roll. So that's a real nice feature there. You can see you've got beautiful aluminum wheels on this, the fiberglass exterior. When you have the fiberglass exterior, you get aluminum framing to the trailer too, which helps keep the weight down and also is a bit stronger. So real nice feature there. Outside speakers. This is an enclosed underbelly, so you don't have all your plumbing exposed. So up front here, you've got a good storage area right in here that incorporates some of the area back underneath the bench, which we'll see inside. Coming around the front, we've got the hybrid bed out right now. So one of the things I love about this is you're not Velcroing this underneath and dealing with that. This is a pretty simple system, but yet really efficient. I kind of call this the first layer of defense here from rain and things like that. Wind. Inside here, this is all secured permanently. So you don't have to worry about water getting through if this flat blows up in the air a little bit and it's raining. You just pull that down over, that's it. It's got the Aqua Shield material, which is by Starcraft. It's a material that isn't just waterproof canvas. It does have some breathability properties to it. Not exactly Gore-Tex, but something along the lines of that. So moisture can work its way out, but not through. So some good material there. You got the two propane tanks up front, and then a rack that you can fit two batteries on behind those. You've got the diamond plate guard up here, which is nice to keep the rocks from messing up your fiberglass and that get kicked up from your tires when you go down dirt roads. So real protective there. 4 stabilizing jacks. You've got 2 up front, 2 in the back. And nice big hot water here. It's a 6-gallon, and that's direct ignition, so you just flip a switch inside, automatically lights itself. Outside shower with hot and cold water. More storage here, you can see. I mentioned earlier the trailer weighs 4,000 pounds dry, so that's not real heavy. Here's your fresh water fill. It's a 30-gallon fresh water tank on the trailer, and then you have the 6-gallon hot water tank also, so that gives you, somewhere around 35, 36 gallons of fresh water. Moving around the backside here, you've got the black tank flush option on this, so you hook up a garden hose to that when you've drained your black tank, and that will send water to shower heads that are built into the black tank to help rinse that all down, keep it nice and clean. Got your 30-amp power cord here. This is the kind that you don't have to stow away inside the trailer and it gets all tangled up and you have trouble pulling it out. Some people like one or the other, but I personally like this, that you can stow this where you want and you always have the full length of it to work with without it getting tangled up. So on the back side here, I'm going to show you how this works real quick. It's a one-person job, really easy. You undo these locking clasps here to hold the bed up. You see this comes down, not very heavy. And most importantly with these, it's supported by a cable right here that kind of runs at about a 45-degree angle. That gives you, I believe these are rated to 1,100 pounds. So, that's not gonna get overdone there. You take this flap I was talking about, pull that over the edge on each side, and then you go inside and push up the interior tubing, which I'll show you that now. The camera guy can squeeze in behind me here. So you take this pole here with the little clasp on the top, Put that between the two screws there, which help you line it up in the center. You can just push that out, clip that in the ceiling, fold the bed out, and you're done. So you can see how quick that is, and here you get a good look at those cables I was talking about. That's key. The way they used to do these hybrids was you had to mess with all kinds of poles and bars underneath the bed to support it against the trailer. So really simple setup there. Works the same on the front. So coming through the trailer, this is, with hybrids, there's a couple of really unique things with this trailer. You've got a double bowl sink instead of a single bowl sink. The 3-burner stove and oven, where a lot of your hybrids you'll just have 2 burners. Big fridge. Instead of the smaller 3 cubic foot fridge, you've got a 6 cubic foot fridge freezer here. So that's what the big RVs would come with. And then back here is a shower, toilet with its own sink. And then up front here, this is a great living area up here. You've got this huge U-shaped dinette, which makes into a bed also. And then you have this couch that scissors out into a bed. They don't quite join up, which they weren't really designed to. You still need a little bit of room to get from the front bed back. But what I love about this area here is how this couch is positioned. If you've got people sitting around the U-shaped dinette, you can still be part of the action from this couch. If you're playing cards or eating, whatever, you just scoot forward a little bit. And now you've got seating for, I don't know, 6, 8 people around this that can utilize this. Get the bigger bed up front here. This is more along the size of a queen bed. The one in the back's more double. I think it's 54 inches wide. LED lights throughout the entire trailer, so it really helps keep the power consumption down. You've got the AC on the ceiling. A little bit bigger trailer here. Some of your smaller hybrids will just have the AC built into the wall, like a window unit, but this is the full 13.5 AC. What else? I think that's about it. Yeah, come on down, take a look. I'm sure I missed some things, but again, I'm William with Sportsland RVs, and love to help you out. Come on down.